Welcome to all. Today I am discuss with you about need and significance of biological science. Need and significance of biological science. Why is biology important? As a field of science, biology helps us understand the living world and the ways its many species, including humans, functions, evolve and interact. Advances in medicine, agriculture, biotechnology, and many other areas of biology have brought improvements in the quality of life. The need and significance of teaching biological science. To teach any subject, it is the primary fact to know the teachers and students. What is the purpose of teaching and what are the need and uses of teaching? Biological science is a very important subject. Okay. The aims and objectives of biological science teaching have undergone an immense change in the computer era. In the growth and development of an individual and to apply knowledge and skills in the working place, we need biological science. Then the following points will tell us the need and importance of biological science. First, biological functioning in everyday life need to be explored with the cause and consequences. Accordingly, biology education is required to take these actions to benefit human life or to take precautionary measures. Then, biological science based research projects will develop their scientific knowledge of the students. Next, knowledge about natural environment, relation between plant and animals, living and non-living, interrelation between plants, animals, their self-defense mechanism, adaptations, nutritions, reproductions and evolution helps the human to lead a compatible life with nature. Then to help the students to get awareness about their environment, ideas, facts, experiences gained from projects and these result of for an underlasting knowledge to the students. These experiences will help to solve problems in their life. Okay. Then this is the need of the biological sciences. Then significance of teaching biological science. Significance of teaching biological science. First one, to understand the nature of biological science. To understand the nature of biological science. To understand the scientific principles, laws and logic which is used in present or in future. To understand science is healthy and truth. Then to understand the world around us as the natural laws. Then the various parts of sciences and their relationship. Then second point, to obtain thinking skills. To obtain thinking skills. When students sit in the classrooms or in laboratories to get biological education knowledge, they obtain several skills. That is, obtain the problem solving skills, obtain drawing skills to used in experiment, laboratory knowledge need in future. Next, to obtain the observation skills. Third point, to obtain the observation skill. Only in science subject 5 senses are used to find the truth. Okay, concept and principles are observed properly and find the truth with the help of experiments. Okay, then the fourth point is to develop the scientific attitudes. To develop the scientific attitudes. Students get the following scientific attitudes while learning biological science. That is getting broad scientific attitudes, to get the interest in biological science, then to obtain knowledge to solve the science problems, then to respect the views of others, to be open minded. Then fifth one, to get training in scientific methods. To get training in scientific methods. Students solve their day-to-day problems using the knowledge obtained in scientific methods. Then the step in problem solving using scientific method, that is identify, first one identifying the problem, then define the problem, then collect record data to solve the problem, forming hypothesis, then testing hypothesis, then applying the results in the various other situations. Okay, then sixth point, to create interest in science. To create interest in science. Teaching science helps students to participate in scientific activities with interest. Students take interest in participating scientific activities, namely science club, science science club, field trips and science exhibitions, etc. etc. Okay. Then seventh point, to know how biological science is used for technological development. To know how biological science is used for technological development. We cannot attain technological development without the help of biological science. Okay, we cannot attain technological development without the help of biological science. The things which we are using to live comfortable are made with the help of biological science. It gives various methods to keep environment without pollutions. New technologies are introduced with the help of biological science. Okay. Then eighth point, training for better living. Training for better living. A science student should know the ways and means of prevention and eradications of diseases and to maintain good health. He should know how to adjust himself with his own domestic, social environment and economic and cultural conditions. Then ninth point, to make our leisure time usefully. Then ninth one, to make our leisure time usefully. Biological science make our leisure time usually by maintaining vegetable gardens, planting ornamental plants, honey extracting, pet animals, etc. etc. Okay. From these activities, we understood the scientific concept clearly, and it also gives some remunerations. The aims and objectives of education should also give how to make our leisure of time usefully. Okay. Then next point, to prepare students for the future. 10th point, to prepare students for the future. Science helps to prepare students for their future. Okay. In higher secondary stage, students should select the subjects according to their choice and keeping in mind their future. School should encourage students to select subject to study engineering, technical or communication branches for their future. Apart from physical and chemistry, school should encourage students to take new subjects. Then students who are studying biological science in +2 stage will study these courses and make their future bright. Okay. These are the significance of biological science. Okay, thank you.